Hey guys, I'm one of the coaches of UNGER Academy, and I'd like to welcome you back to this new video dedicated to the markets and their movements over the past week. Hey, if you haven't done it yet, I remind you to please go and subscribe to our channel and click on that little bell to stay updated on all our new content. Thank you so much. All right, on to the markets that moved the most during last week. And we take a look at it, the US stock market certainly stands out. As you can see, Nasdaq has lost around 4.5% over the last 5 days. Euro stocks, the index that gathers the 50 most capitalized stocks in Europe, was also negative, with a percentage of negative 3%. The same thing applies to the DAX and the S&P 500. So as you can see, this week the US stock market fell even more than the European stock indexes, and perhaps this is also due to the significant rally that has taken place in the last year after the pandemic. But let's move forward. Bond indexes were pretty stable, although they have a downward perspective. As you can see, the 1 year, the 3 months, and the 1 month returns are all negative. The energy markets, on the other hand, continued to rise. Here we see the RBOB gasoline, the future on the price of gasoline, which, as we've also learned from the news, is skyrocketing. Natural gas is also going up a lot. You can see here that the returns of this market over the last month exceed 20%. Okay, let me see. What else can we show you from this week? Metals. Okay, metals have been pretty flat, so we can avoid talking about them. Lean hogs had a great week, with returns exceeding 10%, while other markets in the meat sector, namely live cattle and feeder cattle, went down. Some of the main soft commodities were positive, including coffee and in particular cotton, which has reached very high prices. Cereals moved in a kind of a mixed way, with returns ranging between negative 3% and positive 4%. And finally, we have our traditional currencies, which didn't move that much at all. Bitcoin, which made a sort of a rebound, went up by about 11% over the last 5 days. As for rollovers, there's nothing to do next week. The next market to roll over is crude oil, which, as you know, expires monthly. And around next Friday or the beginning of the week after next, it'll be possible to start thinking about the rollover of this market. And that's all for this week. Thank you so much for watching. And please, if you haven't done it yet, go and subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. In the description of this video, you can also find a link to a webinar where you can learn more about the world of trading systems and thus become independent on the markets. Until the next video, stay safe and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.